Welcome to IQ Search Channel. This looks like basic division, but almost everyone gets it wrong. 21 divided by 7 then over 7 divided by 21. What is the answer of this question? Can you solve it? In the wrong way of solving this question. Some people first cancelled out the 7s. After that, they cancelled out the 21s and they say the final answer of this question equals 1. But this answer is definitely wrong. Let's solve this question a step by step together. We write the numerator as 21 divided by 7 inside the parentheses. We write the fraction as an expression. According to PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the parenthesis. We write 21 divided by 7 in fractional form as 21 over 7. Then write 7 divided by 21 also in fractional form. The numerator and the denominator of these fractions are divisible by 7. 21 divided by 7 equals to 3, and 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Likewise 7 divided by 7 equals 1, and 21 divided by 7 equals to 3. Now the expression becomes 3 over 1 divided by 1 over 3. Whenever we see a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. Now according to KCF rule, keep the first fraction as it is. Change division into multiplication. And flip the second fraction. 1 over 3 becomes 3 over 1. Finally 3 times 3 equals 9, and this is the possible answer to this expression. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.